In order to make $10,000 per month, you need to understand this one thing to go from a normal video editor, which changes time towards money, towards a video editor, towards an entrepreneur who is selling results and who is selling outcomes for his clients. So in this video, I'm going to explain the whole thing, how I achieved exactly this, how I grew my agency to make $10,000 per month as a video editor, or like grown towards an entrepreneur. The pitfall is when you still change time towards money and someone asks you, hey, as a video editor, how much do you charge per hour? Or how much do you charge per this video? This is the wrong approach, because your skill, maybe you don't know it yet, your skill is so variable, which can make millions, literally millions for your clients. You just need to position it into the right way, offering it to the right people, and then you can ask these prices. So first of all, you need to find the right clients, which are business owners, which are people making money online. And your skill, which is video, is just the communication between both of these people. So a client, the business owner, and then the communication between them is your video which you're creating. And it's not about, hey, how much time it takes you to edit this video. It's, hey, which result can you create for this business owner to actually make him more money? Like, which result can you create for this business owner to like create him more money? And then it goes away from where you are compatible towards other video editors, and you offering a solution which is, hey, what would change in your business when I can lend you per month 3, 4, 5, 10 more clients into your calendar, and how much more money would you make? And then it's the question, whom do you offering it to? Obviously, you don't want to offer it towards restaurants. Yeah, these are also business owners. You want to offer this towards business owners which have an online business and consultancy business where they charge per client 10, 20, 50, maybe 100,000 euros for their offer. Yeah, could be also 2, 3, 5,000. And then you just connect them with your skill, which is video, towards the right client. So I started as well as a very normal video editor and didn't knew that before. So I was also exchanging my time towards money. But later on, I understood by accident, I was asked to edit YouTube videos. And I was editing those YouTube videos. And those YouTube videos got thousands and millions of views. Literally, I grew a fitness channel which got over 100,000 followers. And she built a 6-figure business out of this YouTube channel, just because she understood how to reach their clients with what kind of video. And I learned how to create YouTube videos, which kind of YouTube videos, and I offer this towards businesses. I can charge way more money, because now I come with the whole knowledge, I come with the whole system of building YouTube channels for businesses, client acquisition systems, which books them on a weekly basis clients into their calendar. So I'm not anymore this compatible video editor which they can just put another video editor in their team. No, I'm now the person holding the whole YouTube channel, having the knowledge and understanding which videos to produce, how to turn out of a viewer into a customer, into a calendar booking. And this is how I can charge per month, per client, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month per client. And I have multiple of those. And there's not anymore the question, hey, how much do you charge per hour? It's, hey, what will happen if I can generate you 3, 4, 5, 10 more clients per month into a calendar? How much more revenue would you make? My clients answer 50,000, 100,000, 150,000. Depends on which business model. Obviously, when you go into the direction of finance and real estate, it's way higher, and consultancy. And this is literally what changed my whole life. So when you're a video editor right now and you want to become an entrepreneur, you find the first link in the description, which is a work with me link, and you can straight away book a call into my calendar. You can learn how the whole thing is working, because I've been in exactly your shoes. I know exactly how you are feeling, and literally this thing of focusing on YouTube channels changed my whole life. I'm in my Dubai apartment. I can travel wherever I want. I can do whatever I want. I can choose these specific clients to have an amazing experience. So for example, next month I'm going to fly to France, to Saint-Tropez. In some days, very spontaneously, I'm going to fly back to Germany with my clients, and it's an amazing lifestyle. It's life-changing. I tell you guys, it's literally life-changing. When you have any questions, you can drop me also Instagram DM, and yeah, I know you're gonna make it. You just need to stick to it, and when you find value in this video, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.